Hi, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Ako po pala si Joshua po, isa pong call center agent po. Ngayon na lang po ulit po ako nakagawa ng video or vlog about call center tips. Sana po sa video po na ito, makatulong pa rin po ako sa ating mga call center agents pa rin po na nag-work pa rin po sa BPO as of now. So again po, thank you so much for watching my videos po in YouTube. So gagawa pa rin po ako ng maraming videos about this call center tips na pwede ko pa rin may share sa lahat po ng call center agents po na nag-work pa rin po sa BPO. So, may nare-receive po ako na messages, comments coming from my social media friends, Facebook friends, about handling customers over the phone, about their issues. So, I do have here one of the message that I have received. My internet is not working. So, it's a typical message or typical issue coming from our customer, no, na nare-receive natin. Okay. So I do have here the lists of categories na pwede natin magamit in order for us to help our customers over the phone. So I have here acknowledgement, empathy statements, and then assurance. So three categories. So if the customer is saying my internet service is not working, so my first acknowledge to that is thank you so much for bringing up this to our attention. And then the empathy statement that I can say, I know the internet can help in order for us to message our family. Assurance that I can say, rest assured that I will do my best to fix your internet service. Let's go ahead and pull up your account. All right. All right. So that's it. Basic statements that we can provide to our customers in order for us to do our part as a call center agent. Okay, so let's move on to another message coming to one of my friends in Facebook. So maraming nagme-message na or about internet issues, mobile phone devices issues na nare-receive. In order for us to help our customers, we want to make sure that our customers will understand what we are going to say about the issue. So assurance na tutulungan natin sila, yung assurance na yun ang pinaka-importante. So another one here, my phone is not working. Okay. So my response to that, if I will acknowledge that, thank you for sharing this issue with us. Sorry to hear that. Empathy statement. I know how the mobile phone could help to message our family, especially abroad. Assurance, rest assured that I will fix your mobile phone as soon as possible. Let's pull up your account and go ahead. Thank you. Yun lang, di ba? Simplihan lang natin in order for us na matulungan natin yung customers natin. So again po, thank you so much po again for watching my videos. I will make more videos about call center tips na pwede pa naman po makatulong sa ating mga call center agents na nag-work pa naman po sa BPO. Sana po nagustuhan niyo po yung video na ginawa ko po today. And don't forget po to follow me and subscribe to my channel here in YouTube. I appreciate po, again po, thank you so much in advance po. Again, you can follow me and like my videos in Facebook, Instagram, here in YouTube. So it's Joshua Godelano lang po. Share, you can search for it po. And then if you have questions po or wanted to know, you can post po your messages dito po sa may box po dito sa YouTube. Okay? So again po, thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Again, my name is Josh and goodbye for now. Thank you.